If you want a relatable and fast way to make art that feels just right, as if you're letting your emotions paint, without getting caught in the exhausting loop of overthinking, second-guessing, hesitating, or feeling the need to scrap everything and start over, then Kyle Buckland's new video, Courageous Design, is your answer. In this video, Kyle is going to give you clear, proven templates that will act as your creative compass, so your creativity can effortlessly spread onto the canvas with direction and purpose.
In this workshop, I take a lot of time to go over some really helpful basic concepts about some structures that underlie design. I teach about these design stems, which are often overlooked when talking about composition and design.
Kyle Buckland is a highly sought-after teacher, breaking down timeless lessons from the great masters into simple, understandable advice for modern artists.
If you're someone that often struggles with how to compose a picture, or maybe you go out to nature and you're just a little bit overwhelmed by the amount of information that's outside when you're looking for material for your painting, then this workshop is the perfect workshop for you.
Creating gorgeous paintings is now easier than ever thanks to Kyle's simple approach. You'll also learn key brushwork techniques to infuse energy and vitality into your paintings, color mixing tips, and also how to create a spontaneous look and feel to your work.
So if you're excited about the possibilities of learning how to compose a painting very quickly and effectively and want to overcome the fear of design and composition, then come join me in this workshop where we'll cover lots of material that will really help you nail your design and your compositions very quickly in your painting.
Join Kyle as he shows you the secrets behind great works of art.
I'm Kyle Buckland and welcome to my workshop.